So hey MilleyRocks, it's Camille coming to you back with another video. Today we are doing a get ready with me, and we're using we're using mostly e.l.f. products. So I have a lot of e.l.f. products. Most of these products are under $8. Yes, most of these products are under $8. I got a couple gems in here, y'all, and I'm excited to share them with you. Don't forget to join the MilleyRocks family. I want to see you guys here. I want to see you guys interacting with me, commenting on different things. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Let me know. If you guys want to see how I achieve these banging club looks, get beat for the guys using drugstore products, you already know what to do. You already know what to do. We want you here on this channel, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, let's get right into it. So we're gonna start off with brows as always, and I just moisturize my face with, I'm not gonna even include that, whatever, I'll tell y'all. I moisturize my face with Sephora Nourishing Moisturizer. It's not drugstore, but y'all can pick that up if y'all want to. But this is not about skincare. This is about the face. So I am gonna do Airspun powder on my brows, and I do this to matte them out. I do this to matte them out so that my eyebrow pencil can stick really, really well and last all day. So I'm taking the e.l.f. Precision Eyebrow Pencil, and this is in the shade Neutral. It really is for like my lighter skin tones. However, it is universal. It works well on anybody. It's just basically like a neutral brown. And I love this pencil. It's only $5. Okay, and I just always start on the bottom and kind of outline the brow. Then I go on top, and then I just kind of fill it in. I also use often the e.l.f. gel pot. It's like a brown gel pot, and I use that on my brows as well. And the reason why I like e.l.f. so much is because it's so affordable. Like, how you got good products and it's affordable? So I really like that about e.l.f. They step their game up when it comes to products, when it comes to complexion shades. They really just step their game up. Because back in the day, they was slipping. We couldn't find our shade for nothing. Okay, so those are the brows. I am going to use the e.l.f. Eyebrow Mascara Tint, and this is in the shade Medium. And I just kind of make my brows stay put. So then I'm going to go in with one of the best concealers they have out there. And this is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive. So I'm excited about this product because they have a hydrating one. So this is the matte one, and I picked up the hydrating one. This is in the shade Deep Chestnut, and also I got Tan Neutral in the hydrating Camo Concealer. But I also use the matte one. I like both formulas. I have not used the hydrating one, so I'm excited to see which one I like better. But we're going to use the regular Camo Concealer to clean up my brows. I'm just going to do some eyeshadow, and I don't have any e.l.f. palettes. I know that they are beautiful. However, I don't own any, so I'm just going to use my Jackie Aina palette. I know this isn't drugstore, but you guys can just skip over this. Just skip over this portion, because I honestly cannot stop using this palette, and I don't know what to do. But I'm not going to do anything like crazy on the eye. So I'm just take some Revolution Prime and Lock concealer, or what is this, primer, and put that on the lid. And I just kind of put that all over. And y'all, as always, I'm rushing because I have somewhere to go. so I'm gonna go in with the ginger shade, and I'm actually just gonna take this all over the eye. All over the eye, and just kind of like mute out everything. Okay, that's all I want to do. Just put that on there and just make it nice and matte. So now that my lids are matte, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and this is just the regular universal sheer shade and formula. This is the original formula. I have not tried the new one. However, I heard that the new one is better than this one, but I'm just gonna use a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, so try not to use a lot. And it's definitely supposed to get rid of your pores. So I don't know if you guys can tell if my pores are being muted or not. Oh my God, why would I do that? I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Oil-Free Satin Finish Flawless Foundation. I'm kind of excited about this. I did get mine in a shade Nutmeg, and it describes as deep with peachy undertones. I'm not sure if this is gonna match. It looks like it will match me in the bottle. However, I don't know. I have not tried this, so I'm excited to use it. And this foundation retails for $6. Okay, $6 in the shade Nutmeg. It does come with a pump. I'm just going to use my Real Techniques buffing brush. Yep. And I'm going to squirt 1 full pump. So guys, I don't know where the camera cut off. However, I've already used it on this side. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference. I just used 1 pump on this side. So far, I'm liking the finish, and I'm just going to do another pump on this side. Oh, a lot came out that time. And this seems like a sheer or light coverage. Not really sheer, but light. But I like it because it feels amazing for dry skin. Like amazing. I have dry skin, and it feels really, really good right now. And I'm loving the shade on me. Like, I kind of like my foundations to have somewhat more orange in it, because once I like highlight and everything, it blends really, really well. I'm going with my favorite e.l.f. Powder brush, and I'm just going to blend everything in. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. This is the darker one out of the 2 hydrating formulas. I also have Tan Neutral, and of course this is Tan Neutral. It is much lighter, so I'm just going to use both of them. I have Deep Chestnut and Tan Neutral. These are hydrating. I have dry skin, so I'm excited. Okay, so this is like a skin tone shade. It's a really nice color, and it feels really good on the skin so far. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with the other shade, the lighter shade. And this is like a perfect mix. So then I picked up the Real Techniques Miracle Powder Sponge. So I'm excited about this because this is like the Juno & Co. sponge. This sponge was $6. It looks exactly like Juno & Co. So I'm kind of excited to see what this is going to do for my skin. I never tried the regular Juno & Co. one, but I wanted to try it. But I am just going to try this on my face. I'm going to let this concealer sit probably about a couple minutes, and then we're gonna blend this bad boy out. So it does blend really, really well, which is different from the regular camo concealer. It is a little bit more difficult to blend with the regular camo. This one is like blending out really, really well. I really like this. Really, really like this. It really got my face looking flawless. OMG. Like, OMG. I'm going to use a little bit more of the lighter shade, tan neutral. Just a little bit. Blend it out. Yeah. And then I'm going to go in with the contour, Revolution contour. Yes, yes, yes. So just make sure everything is blended. So we're gonna do the Airspun powder for the sake of time. You guys have seen me use this on my channel. Real simple, y'all. I'm gonna do my liner. I'm gonna go in with my Glide LA Girl pencil. Then I'm gonna go in with my lashes of the day, Essence mascara. And how do y'all feel about e.l.f. products? Like, I really, really love e.l.f. products, and I'm not one to really care about if something is brand or not. Like, if it works, it works. As these products have really worked for me. Foundation, I'm just trying, but I can tell that I am gonna like the foundation. It is a really, really beautiful finish. So this is how my face is looking. I'm gonna do my lashes. I did pick up some lashes from Allure London. These are the Luxe Cashmere lashes, and I thought these were so beautiful. This is in the style number 8, and you get 15 plus wears with these. These are beautiful. I believe I paid like $13 for these lashes, which is pretty pricey. However, they are so pretty. I have not seen lashes like these before in the drugstore, so I just had to go ahead and spend that little $13 on these lashes. Okay, so I'm hoping that they hold up because they are beautiful. But anywho, I'm not going to use those, so I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to use some regular lashes. I had these on last night. I got these from the beauty supply store. Nothing fancy. And I'm just gonna put the glue on there. And I hope you guys learned the little trick that I learned about from Beats by Deads, and it's basically applying the lash glue to your actual lash line, and it makes it so much easier when applying lashes. So I'm gonna do that now. And just let it just sit on your face. I'm gonna contour. I'm contouring using Black Radiance True Complexion, medium to dark. You guys know what this is. I'm just gonna contour. And you want to go higher up when you contour. You don't want to go low down here. You want to chisel out the cheekbone higher up. So I recently learned this. I realized that I was doing it all wrong, but it does make a tremendous difference when you do it the right way. Then I'm going to go in with some blush. This is by Profusion. This is Blush 2 palette. And I'm going to go in with the Lovely and Lovejoy shade. Just on the cheeks. Don't go too crazy with blush. Okay, little on the tip. Then I'm gonna do my lashes before they dry while I'm playing, baby girl. Period. Lashes on. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Shockwave liner in Vivid. Okay, a little purple, kind of going with my shirt. Then I'm just gonna blend those lashes in. Okay. Do a little shimmer in the corner. Yes. And I'm gonna spray. I have a spray by e.l.f. and this is a dewy setting mist. I'm just gonna spray this. Kind of take away the powder. Then I'm gonna come back. I gotta use my Morphe Continuous Mist Spray. Just a little bit. Go in with my Revolution highlighter palette. And I go in all of the shades. Ooh. Woo! Ridiculous, all this bling. Like, that's kind of blinding. Where am I going? I'm gonna do a lip, and yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it for the e.l.f. face. I love these products. If you haven't learned anything else, know that I do really love e.l.f. products. They have some amazing products. Of course, these hydrating camo concealers, I can tell off the bat by already using it, these are amazing. These are amazing, and I do recommend these. These are $6. The regular camo concealers are $5, but these are $6. They come in a wide variety of shades. Love it. This poreless putty primer is amazing. A little bit goes a long way. If you're looking for a primer that's gonna blur out your pores. Foundation, I can already tell for dry skin, you really love this. If you love a satin finish, it's not too matte. It has a little bit of dew to it, so if you like that, you would love this.